Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable HD Aptx codec of your Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation. So first of all, you have to be connected with one of the device. I can recommend you to Android devices. In this case I'm using the Pixel 7 Pro, and when you are connected by standard Bluetooth settings, you just have to click on the settings icon. And next you can here turn on the HD audio Qualcomm Aptx audio codec. So you will get like a little bit better sound quality. Of course, not every phone support this codec, so you have to just take a look for the specification of your smartphone. And when you have this codec on your phone, you will be also able to use them on the Sennheiser earbuds. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.